Good morning to one and all present over here. I am Anushka, as you already know. First of all, I want to thank to the teachers for giving me the chance to speak over here. The extent of our class is very less, but the memories are countless. Well, I have many best friends over here. They are, of course, Ritika, Shubhangi, and more, and the naughtiest boy also standing over here. So here comes the personalities of whom I was eager to talk about. They are Shubhangi and Ritika. Shubhangi, the only personality who understands me the most. And also, we have all think same. Actually, when I was writing my speech, I was thinking that we have all the think same. Then, what if our speech would also be same? And of course, it happened. The words he told of his state was also my fault. We face same problems, that's why we often say, किस्मत ही फूटी है हम दोनों की या खुद के बिछड़े बहर में, just like she says. And now, the Ritika. Though we fight a lot and create lot of misunderstanding between us, but of course, no one can take your place in my heart. You are really cute, and your activities seem to be like a small cute panda. They both are my crime partners. Gonna miss you both a lot. And now comes the most famous personality of our school. They are head boy and boys head boy. Anmol and Ansh. The two who have irritated me the most. And I don't know what connections they are having with the teachers. That if any new teachers come in the class, then either they are keep quiet or either they are shouting. Then the teachers pick both of them and said, "But कुछ तो गड़बड़ है इन दोनों में." But actually, the whole class is one very good friend. So I have written something for you all. So listen it carefully. शुभांगी, रितिका और अनुष्का यानी कि मैं, हम तीनों का सबसे घूम कर चॉकलेट मांगना और ना मिलने पर रोने सा शकल बनाना और सबका उस पर फिसल जाना। यारा, तेरी बहुत याद आएगी। जोइन का वो बिंदास लड़कों वाला अंदाज, अनमोल और अंश का वो वीआईपी स्टूडेंट वाला अंदाज। यारा, तेरी बहुत याद आएगी। इरशाद, ये छोटा बैग बड़ा धमाका पार क्लास का एक भाई वाला डायलॉग और अतुल के वो खुद के बनाए कॉमेडी फिजिक्स के थ्योरम्स। यारा, तेरी बहुत याद आएगी। मनीष का हमेशा गलत टाइम पर गलत चीज बोलना और हमेशा मेरे साथ हंसने में मेरा साथ देना। वासु का वो लेजीनेस जिससे क्लास से लेकर स्टाफ रूम तक चर्चे हैं, लेकिन उसी लेजीनेस में धीरे से पता लगा केमिस्ट्री में टॉप कर जाना। यारा, तेरी बहुत याद आएगी। लाख कोशिश करके लंच छुपाने के बाद कोसों दूर खड़े आदित्य शाही और शोभित का अचानक से पीछे आके खड़े हो जाना और लंच खा जाना। यारा, तेरी बहुत याद आएगी। हर्षित का वो हर बात पर गुस्सा जाना और हमारा उसको द यंग एंग्री मैन बुलाना। साक्षी का वो सुरीली आवाज में गाना, अंजलि का वो हर बात पर बच्चों जैसा मुंह बना के रोना और उन दोनों का बटरी करने का अंदाज। यारा, तेरी बहुत याद आएगी। विशाल का अक्सर क्लास में सो जाना और रुमाना मैम का उस पर उसका वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करना। यारा, तेरी बहुत याद आएगी। शिवम राम जी का वो हर प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन देना, जिससे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो है ना, पर इंसान प्रॉब्लम जरूर भूल जाता था। शिवाकांत का वो मारिए महाराज वाला डायलॉग। यारा, तेरी बहुत याद आएगी। वो उत्कर्ष और आदित्य साइलेंट किलर की तरह काम करना और चुपचाप बैठकर क्लास में लंच करना। यारा तेरी बहुत याद आएगी। सपना और खुशी की वो निराली दोस्ती, वैभव और आदित्य मिश्रा का हमेशा कॉपी कंप्लीट रहना, तैयब का वो रॉकिंग सा डांस, यारा तेरी बहुत याद आएगी। And how can I forget my respectful teachers? I want to thank all the teachers, but a special thanks to Tripuresh sir and Rumana ma'am for always being with us. Tripuresh sir, the most caring and a good motivator. I have never seen a person like him who wake up late nights with his student just for motivating us, just for saying, "Beta, pad lo." When no one understands us, then you are the teacher who always understands us. Whenever we needed you, you were always present for us. Two lines I want to say for you, sir. साक्षर हमें बनाते हैं, जीवन क्या है समझाते हैं। जब गिरते हैं हम हार कर तो साहस वही बढ़ाते हैं। ऐसे महान व्यक्ति ही हमारे त्रिपुरेश सर कहलाते हैं। And now, Rumana ma'am, the teacher to whom we can share our problems with and be assured that it will be kept with her only. And the thing I like the most in you, ma'am, is the way of your giving to the point answers. And I also want to learn it from you, ma'am. I also want to say two lines for you, ma'am. कुछ खट्टा, कुछ मीठा है इनका अंदाज। कुछ खट्टा, कुछ मीठा है इनका अंदाज। मीठी मिर्ची है इनकी पहचान। Thanks a lot, ma'am, for playing a very important role in our life. I don't know how the all chemistry teachers got to know that I don't know chemistry. I think Amita ma'am knows well. Well, thank you so much, ma'am. You have played a very great role in my life. And I also want to thank Ashutosh sir and Nirmala ma'am who are always ready to teach us. Thank you, Shavya ma'am, for always giving us the best activities at all your possible levels. Thank you, Amit sir, dance teacher. Thank you, Amit sir, music teacher. Himanshu sir, and also how can I forget our computer teacher? Actually, he has not teased us, but he had played a very great role in my life. Whenever I need some teacher's help, he was always there to help me. Dilip sir, Amit Shukla sir, Ashutosh sir, Dipankar sir, Sunil sir, Kirti ma'am, and every teacher has played a very important role in my life. And how I can forget our most loving principal sir, the best principal I have ever seen, who knows when to behave childish and when to behave strict. And this quality of you, sir, makes you more and more attractive. You are like our father, who always care for us a lot and give us the best. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. I wanted to be your daughter. Thank you so much. Thank you, director sir and director ma'am, for always motivating us whenever we need it. There is lot to say, but as time is less, so I will end up by thanking each and every member of this family. It's a new family. Thank you.